We're also releasing today Holidays Forever. Now, if you've been around a while, you probably already have Our Family Forever, Our Family Forever 2, all that kind of stuff. Well, this is the same size, same font, so it's going to coordinate. Remember, I told you there's going to be like 4 or 5 in this series. This one is going to coordinate. So it has Happy Birthday or Happy Day, Happy Anniversary, Happy New Year. These are all separate words, so you can have it say different things. Happy Valentine's Day, Happy St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Mothers, Fathers, 4th of July, Halloween, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, winter, retirement, summer, spring, fall. Have a great. So you could say, have a great summer, have a great retirement, have a great Thanksgiving, or happy Thanksgiving, happy 4th of July, or have a great Mother's Day. It goes on and on and on. Holidays. So this, it's kind of cool because the circles are holidays. We have Easter and Thanksgiving on here and birthday. And this one is all about the holidays. Now let's look at some of those. Look at this. Have a happy retirement. Isn't that awesome? Or happy Father's Day, right? So there's going to be, or have a great summer. You're going to mix and match it with the other ones from this series, right? And that one, oh, look how cute this one is. Ready? This is another circle. Flip it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I could do this all day. I really, really could. I could do this all day. My friends, go get them now.